हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार, जय हिंद, कैसे हैं आप? एक बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जो शायद आपने कभी सुना हो इसके बारे में या मे बी यू विल नॉट हैव बट है बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट। आप किस तरह के विचार प्रकट करते हैं? जैसे कि मान लीजिए ग्रुप डिस्कशन है, सपोज़ मान लीजिए ग्रुप डिस्कशन का टॉपिक है रशिया एंड यूक्रेन वॉर एंड हाउ इट अफेक्ट्स इंडिया और समथिंग लाइक दैट। व्हाट शुड बी योर ओपिनियन? Up, you are independent to have an opinion. You are a personality. You are a developed personality. You're a mature person, so you can have the opinion as per your like. So, should you express it the way it comes to your mind, or should you be careful about what you speak? देखिए, कुछ मत कीजिए। सिंपल एक नियम बनाइए आप कि यू शुड नॉट बी क्रिटिकल टू द गवर्नमेंट। आप वहाँ पे अपना क्रिटिकल एटीट्यूड मत दिखाइए इन द सेंस कि आप वहाँ पे इस तरह से मत प्रेज़ेंट कीजिए अपने आप को, अपने विचारों को that you're not happy with the government. You will say, why I'm using the word government? Because India as a nation has a policy. Like India decided to purchase oil from Russia despite everyone putting a sanction on it. So it's a decision which was taken. And you as a nationalist person, I'll say, or as a true citizen, should not go against it. There's no point. You might be feeling that there is a lot of inhuman things happening there and humanity is at stake and Ukraine is right in its decision to join NATO. It is their wish and they feel more comfortable there, whatever. But then there is a decision already taken. And you going against this decision, how will it sound? You might sound as an enlightened person, but at the same time, you will also sound as a person who is against the policies of the nation. And how will the GTO or the IO construe it? Depends. Mostly he won't be very happy about it. You criticizing government or maybe any policy which is, let's say, for example, new education policy has come or Article 370 has been removed. No, you don't come out with bright ideas. Okay, how the continuation of 370 would have kept the sentiments very right or whatever comes to your mind. It's a policy which is already implemented and 370 is revoked and you should be with it. कहते हैं ना कि जैसे कि आपको मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि अ, जब युद्ध हुआ व्हेन द फाइट स्टार्टेड विथ राम और रावण का भगवान राम और रावण का जब युद्ध हुआ रावण को ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि वो हार जाएगा उसने सोचा नहीं था हालांकि जब अहिरावण वध हुआ था तब उसने कहा जरूर था मंदोदरी से कि इट इज नॉट नॉर्मल बिकॉज अहिरावण वाज एज पावरफुल एज रावण he said it is not normal it is not someone normal has come and killed Ahiravan no so he knew he had this notion but he was very sure that this war is supposed to be won by him and more than him he thought कि he may not have to go to the war itself इंद्रजीत जो थे मेघनाथ he used to think कि he is more than enough and actually he was very powerful and frankly speaking he was trying to do one yajna which was stopped between but अगर वो हो जाता तो शायद वो जीत भी जाते और आपको पता ही है उन्होंने लक्ष्मण जी को मूर्छित कर ही दिया था so Kumbhakaran was not brought into the picture and Kumbhakaran was allowed to sleep he was on his sleep cycle जब इंद्रजीत का वध हुआ तब रावण को लगा कि अरे now I'll have to rethink and then they started waking up Kumbhakaran कुंभकर्ण उठे फिर उन्हें पता चला ये सब हो चुका है युद्ध के लिए जाना है तब उनसे विभीषण मिलने आए विभीषण came and told him कि you see this is the situation as you know and I am with Lord Ram and I want you to come with me. And Ram will take you heartily, and you leave Ravan. Then Kumbhakaran said, I might die in the war, but I will never leave my brother. And if you don't leave now, you are the first one I'm gonna kill. मतलब हिंदी में कहने का मतलब क्या है? जो आपकी लॉयल्टी है, जो आपके विचार हैं, वो देश से परे हो ही नहीं सकते. You cannot be sounding against the nation, right? So, suppose there is a geopolitical topic. There is always a decision by the government, and we know that we are openly or coldly supporting Russia. Russia is also supporting us. And it's a very good move, I'll say, in the sense that Russia is the kind of friend you should have. And Russia is the kind of enemy you should never have. अगर आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो एक देश जो आपके साथ सच में खड़ा होगा शायद वो रशिया ही होगा. आप देखिए यूक्रेन का क्या हाल किया. क्या कर लिया उन्होंने, नेटो ने फेटो ने पहले उसको बेवकूफ़ बना के चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ जा चढ़ जा चढ़ जा. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना, दोस्त चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ाती है, इसी को कहते हैं चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ना. और चढ़ गया यूक्रेन. इतनी बर्बादी हुई है वो शायद 50 साल तक रिकवर ना हो. मेरा पॉइंट कुछ और है. मेरा पॉइंट है कि आप अपने आइडियाज को बोलते बोलते इतने इमोशनल मत हो जाइए. डू नॉट एंड अप बीइंग सो इमोशनल दैट you end up saying things which might project you as a person who is not in conformity with the nation. विभीषण के लिए कहीं कहीं जब मैं सुन रहा था कि जो देशद्रोही हो उसे पूजा नहीं जाता. All the sins for once are pardonable, maybe in some parlance. But if you go against your nation, देशद्रोह एक ऐसा अपराध है जिसकी कोई माफी हो ही नहीं सकती. तो interviewer might pick up a topic. He will try to take you to that side. He will ask you certain questions. And mostly he is into the opinion. Like he will say, ki, as you might have known, that uh, new education policy has been found wherein a lot of options have come up. What is your opinion about it? What is he asking is your opinion about it? For example, he might ask you your opinion about Citizens of Amendment Act and what do you think? Now here he's trying to see and read your mind. Are you with the policy or against the policy? Now it is a policy of the nation. You being against it is a different connotation. Till the time policy was forming and till the time ideas were generating, तब तक ठीक है. बट बन चुकी है जो चीज, ये वही बात हो गई कि आई एम लिटिल रिबेलियस, आई वांट टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड, द सोसाइटी. इस तरह के अगर आपके विचार हैं तो आप थोड़ा सोचिए. इट माइट बैकफायर. यू शुड बी द पर्सन, है ना, कि जैसे कर्ण ने कहा दुर्योधन से कि मैं मरता मर जाऊंगा, दोस्ती नहीं छोड़ूंगा. कृष्ण भगवान ने उसको समझाया था कि इनफैक्ट लॉर्ड कृष्णा टोल्ड हिम कि यू आर द एल्डेस्ट सन. दैट वाज अ शॉक फॉर हिम. स्टिल he said, you might be correct, you might be logical, but I'll not leave my loyalty. My loyalty is my friend and I'll stay by him. तो लॉयल्टी का फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई होप यू गेटिंग अ पॉइंट एंड कोरिलेटिंग कि आप कभी आवेश में भी, जैसे ग्रुप डिस्कशन में भी, कभी जोश में आप ऐसा ना बोल दीजिए कि आप जो हैं यू आर क्वेश्चनिंग द ऑथेंटिसिटी, द अथॉरिटी, द you know, the intent and whatever it may come to your mind of the nation, of the no, the policy which is already made or something. Be very clear and be very thorough on this aspect. Ki you are free to have an idea, but when it comes to a well decisive thought of the government, of the nation in that way, should not go against it. I hope I have made my point clear. And do let me know what is your opinion about it. It's always good to hear from you. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind.